What is going on, everybody? Happy Thursday. It is February 1st. We are officially in the second month of the year, and we have another good Ryan's Radar analysis tonight. So, fair warning, tomorrow morning is NFP. So, what I recommend you guys doing if you're going to trade today, either do it during Asian session or London, and then let's wait for New York session to start. I personally am not going to be trading as soon as NFP starts. I'm going to wait anywhere from 15 minutes to 30 minutes after it has made its moves because they will push price in the area of supply or potentially down farther into demand. It all depends on where price is at because it could go up first, hit these supplies, and then drop, or it could go down first, respect these supplies, hit these demands, and then shoot up during New York. We have various opportunities here, but I do believe if you guys have been paying attention, I mean, at least in the elite group, we are literally we've won trades every single day. I have had two losses this week, and I've been calling trades inside of the elite group. Not like necessary signals like enter at this point here with your take profit there. It's more so I tell them I'm entering a position. This is what I'm doing. You guys can do what you want. You don't have to enter, or you can take the same trade as me. And it has been extremely accurate, and especially with the two rules that we follow. And I will say this a lot, just because I needed to bring into your mind and make it solid. It is only trade when price is in supply or demand, and never buy in supply and never sell in demand. If you can stick to those two rules, you'll be disciplined. So the fact that we're in supply right now means two things. What? We're not looking for buys and we're only looking for sells. So if price shoots up, you don't need to worry about it. You're not missing out on shit unless it's deciding to shoot up and break these demands, in which case you should be thanking it because then you have clarity on where price needs to go next. It needs to then pull back down into demand, and then you can look for prices to push up from there. But no need to rush, guys. You don't need to capture every single move. You need to capture the moves that are the most probable and in your favor, right? So this is not a high probability trade for a buy. Look at it, it's at the top. So why would you take it? So with EU, we're going to be looking for price to ultimately come back down, right? So it's been bouncing off of these demands. It shot down pretty good this morning. And then during the news, it really shot up even further. I don't think, no, I did not. No, I did take this trade. I took this trade and I took NU. So I had a buy from down here and I took it all the way up to the top. And it worked out for me and everybody else in the group. I think there's someone actually in the elite group that's still holding it to at least the high of the day. And that's something that I'm why I actually think this is going to go up a little bit more. The way it's forming is it wants to push up. And if you can see here, this is the 1 hour chart. There's an 800 moving average here behind all this red right there. So price usually goes up to touch that. And that just happens to be exactly aligned with the high of the day from yesterday. So essentially, we have a little bit more wiggle room. I think it's going to shoot up just a little bit more, hit these other supplies, and then from there we'll see some droppage. But anything could happen. Don't be settled on that. Just wait for price to show you what it wants to do. Let the engulfings show you. Let the reversal pattern show you, because I can tell you right now that's not a reversal pattern. Reversal patterns on this pair are hard candles, like big engulfings, like this. That's an engulfing. Well, actually, that's not an engulfing, but you can see how big the candle movement is. It pushes up and immediately pushes down, immediately pushes up. Right? Not consolidation like this shit. This shit's gonna go up a little. It might drop a tiny bit, but it's not a full-on reversal to go back down. So let's see what happens. Now let's go to GBPUSD. GBPUSD really did good. It stopped out a lot of early traders that were in buys, and it extended its stop hunt down into the demand zone. So it hit this 4 hour demand, took out all the 1 hour, 15-minute, 30-minute ones that were from the last few days, going into last week, and created just an open space. And then from there, price just shot up. It broke structure, broke the trend line. We have a nice supply area or demand area down here. I ultimately want to see price just shoot back down. But of course, that could take a little bit of time. It might do it during NFP. It might do it during Asian or London session. I don't know. But currently, price is in a supply. So guess what? I'm not buying and I'm not going to do anything of that sort. So if it pushes up even higher, that's great. These are the potential outcomes that you could see. This price pushes up higher into this 4 hour and 1 hour supply zone, and then it respects it, comes back down, pulls back, and maybe hits these demand zones. And then from there, the week ends. Or the other route is that price respects these demand or supplies, and we see price go from here down up, right? That's the simplicity of it. Now, don't quote me on that. Don't be married to that idea. Let price show you what it's going to do. It could go even farther. This thing can break all the way up here first during London, hit these upper parts of the NF, the daily demand or supply and 1 hour supply, and then drop, or it could go all the way down here and then go. So let's see what happens. I'm not too rushed on this. I think things are going to work out perfectly. But if you guys are interested in the elite group, I'll be talking about what I'm seeing for the day, of whether or not I'm trading or if I am, and then yeah, we'll see if we can make you guys some money. Everyone have a great rest of your weekend. I will talk to you guys on Monday. Peace out.